Arduino Zero is used to configure the RPC through I2C or two-wire protocol. Afterwards, the FTDI module sends all the time data to the Raspberry Pi through the serial port. Next, the Raspberry Pi processes the time data and sends it to the LCD to correctly display the time, in this the day, time, and the date. Finally, the push buttons are used to set up the alarm. When the time comes, a message will be displayed on the LCD telling the user to wake up.
Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain.